find the x and the y-intercept of this equation. Intercepts are where the line crosses the x-axis like this, and or the line crosses the y-axis like this. So you can also find it kind of like, if you are thinking of a straight line, it can look kind of like this. So how to find this x-intercept and this y-intercept is what we are going to look at. So what you need to remember is one of the coordinates is always 0. So let's start with our y-intercept. When we're finding the y-intercept, we need to make x is equal to 0 when we are going to find our y-intercept. So let's go and substitute this 0 into x's place. Look like this. Then 3 times 0 is 0 plus y equals to 12. So there we have it. Our y-intercept is 12. There we can write our y-intercept coordinates down. Also, what I want to show you is this is now a straight line. And if we think of our straight line format in x plus c, we know c is our y-intercept. Okay, but we see this equation is not yet in the straight line format. So we can just shift things around a bit. Going to shift things around a bit so that it can follow this format. Okay, so we can take the 3x to that side. So then our y will be on the side on its own, on the left-hand side on its own. And we need to remember our 3 is going to be negative. Then we can see the 12 is in C's place, if you like it in that method to find for the x-intercept. What should the y value be to find the x-intercept? If you said 0, you are correct. The y needs to be 0 to find the x-intercept. So what we can do, we can substitute y is equal to 0 in our equation. 3x plus 0 equals 12. 3x is equal to 12. What are we going to do now? We are going to divide. With what are we going to divide? We need to get rid of this 3. So we are going to divide with 3. And when we divide with 3 on the left-hand side, we need to divide with 3 on the right-hand side as well. So our x-intercept is 4. So x is equal to 4. So we can write down our x-intercept is 4. And remember our y should then be 0. You can go and plot both points, your x and your y-intercept, on a graph and then connect them. Okay, so now we can go and plot our x and our y-intercept. Okay, so let's go and look. Our y-intercept is at 0 and 12. Our x-intercept is at 4 and our y is 0, so here. And then we can go and connect them with our ruler. I am not doing it with a ruler, so mine might be a bit skew. But there you have it. We can connect it. So just remember, whichever axis you're finding, the other one should be 0. So if you're finding the x-intercept, your y is going to be 0. And if you're going to find your y-intercept, your x should be 0. Now it's your turn. So use this method to find the intercepts for 2x plus 3y equals 6. And tell me your answers in the comments. So please like, comment, what are you struggling with? What video do you want to see next, or what question or equation do you want to see next? And then I also put like a little freebie in the chat. It's kind of like a planner if you want to get a little bit more organized for your exams. And then there is also different types of freebies if you want to check them out. Link would be in the comments. Have a nice day.